Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the girlfriend from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of her face. Draw a line down here. Now come out to the left and curve it back to the right. Now let's draw her bangs. Draw a V shape on the left here. And then two smaller V shapes in the center. Now draw a curve down on the right. Now at the end, draw a U shape. And then a small curve in here. Now underneath, we're going to draw one more curly shape of hair like this. And then next a curve here for the ear. Let's draw her face now, starting with the eyes. Draw a line across for the left eye. And now a large U shape. And color it in black. Now do the same thing for the right eye. Next, add two eyelashes on either eye. Let's draw the mouth next here. Now let's start drawing the hair. On the top here, draw a piece of hair coming up like this. And then a small line up on the right. Now draw a large curve down on the right, stopping here around the same level as the ear. And then one more section of hair coming out and coming back down to the ear. Now hop back to the top and draw the left side with a curve and flick it up at the end. Now curve it back down. And add one more small curve here. Next, let's draw a curve to the left of the face here for the other ear. Now before we finish the hair, let's draw the body. From under the chin, draw a curved line out to the left and back down. And then a S curve down here for the side of the arm. Now draw a small diagonal line in here for the side of the body. Next, let's draw a large curve up and over for the top of her leg. and then a small curve here on her body. Let's finish off the arm now. Draw a long line down and curve it in at the bottom for the finger. Then draw 2 more curves to finish off her hand. Let's draw the legs now. Start with a large curve here. And then a small curve under it to close off the shape. Now underneath, draw 2 curves coming in on either side to a point for her shoe. Finish off the other leg now with a diagonal line down. And then draw the top of the foot like this. And next, draw her shoe. Now let's draw her other arm on the left with a diagonal line down. And then 2 more lines down like this. Now draw her hand with curved lines. Let's finish off our hair now. On the right, draw another section of hair curving up. And then 1 more piece coming down to her hand. Now hop on over to the left side and finish off her hair in the same way. The girlfriend is done now. Let's draw the speakers next. Draw a straight line across here underneath her hands. And then lines down on either side. Next, draw 2 circles in the top corners. Now draw a large rounded rectangle shape here. And draw another line inside for the border. Now draw one more smaller rectangle in the center. Draw another similar shape at the bottom now. Next, on either side, draw smaller speakers with circles inside like this. And that's it for the girlfriend. Let's quickly color her in now. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.